Alright everybody, what's up? This is Joshua Maitland here, and in this video I'm going to be doing some unboxing, and this is what I'm going to be unboxing. Yes, this right here guys is the Mini Desk Fan, the Bladeless one that is, from Tronic. Now I bought this from Lidl's last month, and yeah, yeah, I just feel like having a fan because at this time of year that we're in at the moment, it's currently, well, we're currently in the heat wave, that is, and yeah, so right. So before I can unbox this, I'm just gonna show you the sides of it. So here's the front, and it's got the even air distribution for comfortable cooling, and it's got 5 colors plus color changing mode. Yeah, as you can probably tell. Oh, and it's got like a 3-speed settings and even air distribution, like I said, and it's the same, but we've added the barcode. Right, so it's bladeless, like I said. I just said that one already. It's got 3-speed setting, and it's got the with LED mood light in 5 different colors and color changing mode. Brightness, no risk of injury, and easy to clean, with 2 buttons for ease of use. Excellent. Stylish matte housing with non-slip base. Yes. And its output is 6 watts. And the cable length is 1.2 meters. Now I guess this might be a plug, but I'll never know until I open this. Right, so let's put this box on the floor and I shall get started unboxing it. Oh yes. Now inside this box is a bag with a desk fan itself, the mini desk fan that is. Oh, and there is an instruction manual. We're operating in safety instructions, that is. Ah, yes. Oh, yes. Now. Ah, yes. Just as I might have guessed. Now, inside this bag, well, I don't know what type of bag that is, but whatever. Oh, it's got a USB. Nice. Oh, and it's got the USB plug as well. Very nice. Right, so I guess I can just plug this USB thingy in, and then plug the oh, that is the USB Type C. So yeah, just like the yeah. Oh, and this can be connected at back. Now, this right here is to turn it on and off, and I think this one is obviously to change the color, that is. Right, so I'll put this mini desk fan on my bedside table and I shall plug it in and power it on. Right, so obviously I'm going to plug this in now. Yeah, and as you can probably tell, You can hear the beep. The amber green light is, yeah. Right, so let's turn it on. Or amber LED light means that it's turned on. Now, I'm just going to activate the colors thingy. So I think I should probably press that. Oh, wow. Oh, I see. So the colors are obviously comes out from. So the colors are obviously comes out from this area, not from that area. That is because that area is obviously the fan area, not. Yeah. So we go white, blue, green, red, purple. Oh, and that is obviously the color changing. Also, you can hear the fans. The fan, that is. Right, so I should probably press the I think I should probably change the fan speed. Oh, so the white is obviously the slowest speed. The light blue light means it's medium speed, and the high speed must be green energy. And I think that is to turn it off. Yep, thought so. Yep, as I said earlier, it's obviously got 3 fan speed settings, that is. And yeah. Well, what more I can say about this? I mean, yeah. Well, what can I say? The noise of the fan kind of reminds me of the PC case fan, which, yeah. But still, whatever. Right, so I'm obviously going to end this video right there. So if you enjoyed this unboxing video and me trying out this fan, then please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications to get notified when I upload new videos onto my channel. And yeah. Right, so thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye for now.